Hello and welcome to Promine Survey module. This module allows to easily import survey information into AutoCAD. It can be found in the engineering category of Promine, and this video will give a short overview of its main functions. Let's start with this drawing in which we can see the planning of one level and the survey information of some segments. As the survey has progressed, we're going to insert additional survey information on the west part of this level by using the Process File command. In the first menu, we can choose between different file types that can be read, like RW5 and TopCon. In this case, we're going to choose the CSV file. We're selecting the correct file, and a new menu will open in which we can sort the information of the file into the correct columns and determine our delimiter. Selecting OK, the file information will be processed and can be viewed and edited in the following window if it is necessary. We are just indicating that we want to add the stations to the database and finish the process with OK. We're quickly inserting the date of the survey, and now we can see the newly added survey points in the drawing. With this new part, we can see that the different types of points were already sorted into distinct layers, and based on their types are represented by different pre-configured blocks. For example, the wall points here are connected with polylines and are sorted onto a layer that ends in wall, whereas the floor points that are green crosses are on the layer ending in floor. When we quickly open the station database and refresh it, we can see that the stations have been inserted and saved. Once these stations are in the database, the module can load the stations again from the database, or we can just insert from AutoCAD these stations into the database. We can also insert a manual survey, as we're going to see with this example of the tape measurement. Select the command and then the backside and instrument placement. A menu will open to define the measurement. First, we're inserting the instrument height and then the horizontal angle, measured distances, and we're checking the pertinent boxes. We're going to insert the measurements for distances of 10, 15, and 20 meters. Inserting the measured distance for left and right, as well as the up and down from the measuring point at all three distances. Once all measurements are entered, we can select OK, and the program will generate the points. Next, we're going to insert an azimuth table by selecting the command and then the 200-7 station as a reference point, and the three plugs as three different directions. Once all have been selected, we can press Enter and the azimuth table will be inserted. For the same area of the mine, we're going to insert a small chain report. We just select the command and the reference points. In the following menu, we indicate the location and the grade, we pick the floor elevation from the center line, and then define the wall offset with 2 in either direction, as that is a planned width. We insert the planned drift height and select the layer to store this information. Now we only have to indicate the length, and then the report for the chains will be inserted into the drawing. But additionally, a file gets generated if we want to save the information in a different location. This concludes this quick overview of the survey module. If you have any questions about this or other modules of Promine, please write us at info@promine.com. Thanks for watching.